What if one simple ingredient sitting in your kitchen could support your heart, brain, skin, digestion, and overall health, and you have probably been using it the wrong way? For thousands of years, people living around the Mediterranean had consumed one special oil that has become one of the most researched foods in modern nutrition: extra virgin olive oil. But here's the surprising part. Many people buy olive oil only because they hear it is healthy, yet they do not understand what makes extra virgin olive oil different, how to choose the right one, how much to take, or what happens inside your body when you make it part of your daily lifestyle. In this video, we are going to uncover the hidden benefits of extra virgin olive oil, the powerful compounds behind its effects, the mistakes that reduce its benefits, and the best ways to include it in your daily routine. So stay until the end, because the last benefit is one that many people overlook. What makes extra virgin olive oil special? Before we discuss the benefits, we need to understand what makes extra virgin olive oil different from regular olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is the highest quality category of olive oil. It is produced through mechanical pressing of olives without excessive heat or chemical processing. This process helps preserve naturally occurring compounds including healthy monounsaturated fats, polyphenols, oleic acid, vitamin E, antioxidants. These compounds are responsible for many of the unique properties researchers have studied. However, not every bottle labeled olive oil provides the same nutritional value. Extra virgin olive oil is usually the least processed form of olive oil and contains more of the natural plant compounds found in olives. Benefit number 1, supports heart health. One of the most researched benefits of extra virgin olive oil is its relationship with cardiovascular health. The heart needs healthy fats to function properly, and replacing some sources of unhealthy fats with monounsaturated fats may help improve overall cholesterol balance. Extra virgin olive oil contains oleic acid, a type of monounsaturated fat that has been associated with healthier cholesterol levels. It may help support higher levels of HDL cholesterol, often called the good cholesterol, lower oxidation of LDL cholesterol, better blood vessel function. Another important component is polyphenols. These plant compounds act as antioxidants, helping protect cells from oxidative stress. This is one reason why extra virgin olive oil is a major part of the Mediterranean diet, which has been associated with improved heart health outcomes. Benefit number 2, powerful antioxidant protection. Every day, your body produces molecules called free radicals. Some free radicals are normal and are involved in everyday biological processes. However, excessive oxidative stress can damage cells over time. Extra virgin olive oil contains antioxidants that help the body manage oxidative stress. One important group is called polyphenols. These natural compounds have been studied for their ability to support the body's natural defense systems. The stronger the antioxidant content of the olive oil, the more potential benefits it may provide. A simple way to recognize a high-quality extra virgin olive oil is often its taste. A slightly bitter or peppery sensation in the throat can indicate the presence of beneficial polyphenol compounds. Benefit number 3, may support brain health. Your brain is one of the most fat-dependent organs in your body. Healthy fats are essential components of brain cell membranes. Extra virgin olive oil provides fats that support normal brain structure and function. Research has explored the connection between Mediterranean-style eating patterns and brain health. The antioxidants in extra virgin olive oil may also help protect brain cells from oxidative stress. While olive oil is not a cure or treatment for neurological conditions, including healthy fats as part of a balanced diet may support long-term brain wellness. Benefit number 4, supports healthy inflammation response. Inflammation is a natural process your body uses to protect itself. The problem occurs when inflammatory processes become excessive or remain activated for too long. Extra virgin olive oil contains oleocanthal, a natural compound that researchers have studied because of its similarities to some anti-inflammatory mechanisms. This does not mean olive oil replaces medical treatment, but it shows why researchers continue investigating its role in healthy eating patterns.
Benefit number 5, supports digestive health. Many people do not realize that fats play an important role in digestion. Healthy fats can help stimulate the release of bile, which assists with the digestion and absorption of fat-soluble nutrients. Extra virgin olive oil may also support a healthier gut environment when consumed as part of a diet rich in vegetables, fruits, legumes, and whole foods. The combination of olive oil with fiber-rich foods is one reason Mediterranean-style meals are often considered beneficial. If you are learning something new about extra virgin olive oil, take a moment to support this channel. Click the like button, subscribe for more evidence-based health videos, and share this video with someone who uses olive oil but may not know its hidden benefits. Your support helps us continue creating simple videos that explain complex health topics. Now let's continue with some benefits that many people rarely talk about. Benefit number 6, may support healthy blood sugar management. The quality of fats in your diet can influence how your body handles carbohydrates. When extra virgin olive oil is combined with balanced meals, it may help slow digestion and influence how quickly glucose enters the bloodstream. This is especially important because meals containing refined carbohydrates alone can cause faster blood sugar increases. For example, adding olive oil to vegetables, salads, or balanced meals can create a more complete nutritional profile. Remember, olive oil is not a replacement for diabetes medication, but it can be part of a healthy lifestyle approach. Benefit number 7, skin and beauty benefits. Many expensive skincare products contain ingredients that are naturally found in olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil contains vitamin E and antioxidants that help protect the skin from environmental stress. Healthy dietary fats also contribute to maintaining the skin barrier, which helps retain moisture. Some people use olive oil externally, but it is important to understand that everyone's skin reacts differently. For some people, applying oils directly may clog pores or cause irritation. Consuming quality olive oil as part of a healthy diet is generally the more reliable approach. Benefit number 8, helps your body absorb nutrients. Some important nutrients require fat for proper absorption. These include vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Adding extra virgin olive oil to meals containing vegetables can improve the absorption of certain fat-soluble nutrients. For example, a salad with vegetables and olive oil may provide more nutritional value than eating the vegetables alone. Benefit number 9, weight management support. Many people avoid olive oil because they think all fats automatically cause weight gain. But healthy fats can contribute to satisfaction after meals. Because fats digest more slowly than carbohydrates, they can help you feel fuller. However, portion size matters. Extra virgin olive oil is calorie-dense, meaning more is not always better. A small amount used consistently can be beneficial without adding excessive calories. How to choose the best extra virgin olive oil? Now, choosing the right olive oil is extremely important. Here are some tips. First, look for bottles labeled extra virgin olive oil. Second, choose dark glass bottles whenever possible, because light can damage oil quality. Third, check the harvest date if available. Fresher olive oil generally contains more beneficial compounds. Fourth, store it properly. Keep it away from heat, direct sunlight, air exposure. A cool, dark cabinet is usually a good place. Common mistakes people make. Mistake number 1, buying the cheapest olive oil without checking quality. Very low-quality oils may not provide the same benefits. Mistake number 2, using too much because it is healthy.
Even healthy foods should be consumed in moderation. Mistake number 3, heating it excessively. Extra virgin olive oil can be used in cooking, but extremely high temperatures can reduce some beneficial compounds. Many people enjoy it drizzled over vegetables, salads, soups, and cooked meals.
How much extra virgin olive oil should you consume? There is no universal amount that works for everyone. Many Mediterranean-style diets include a few tablespoons daily as part of an overall healthy eating pattern. Your ideal amount depends on your total calorie needs, activity level, and dietary goals. The key is consistency, quality, and balance. Extra virgin olive oil is much more than just a cooking ingredient. It is a traditional food containing healthy fats, antioxidants, and plant compounds that researchers continue studying for their potential role in supporting heart health, brain health, digestion, and overall wellness. But remember, no single food can replace a balanced diet, regular exercise, quality sleep, and proper medical care when needed. If you found this video helpful, share it with a friend or family member who uses olive oil. And before you leave, subscribe to the channel because we have more videos coming about powerful natural foods, supplements, and lifestyle habits that can help you make smarter health choices. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.